manages to stand out.
Voilà, alors que
So,
on va aller à la rencontre du réalisateur du film, Jean-Stéphane
director of the
Sauveur,
film,
réalisateur de fiction, mais aussi de documentaire.
Jean-Stéphane Sauveur.
Bonsoir, Jean-Stéphane Sauveur,
Hello,
comment ça va?
Jean-Stéphane. How are you tonight? Not bad, not bad. I thought I'd be more nervous, but it's not bad. That's the charm of the midnight session. I think it's something a bit more relaxed. Even if we do still see very disturbing film, which is the case of your film as well. Tell me about the way you discovered Billy Moore's book and what meant that it was something you wanted to make. Well, it was a proposal from a producer, Karatakayer, who offered me the script, and I fell in love with the story, and I wanted to tell the story of Billy. Billy, who's here tonight. It's always interesting when it's a real story based on true life. Thailand, prison, boxing, drugs, lots of things I wanted to talk about. So real cinema too. A lot of scenes and sequence shots. You really, you're not looking at a documentary, even though you're a documentary maker as well. But maybe Billy Moore, you can come over and introduce him.
Mr. Moore, good evening. Congratulations, because I know you had a big part in that movie. Could you tell us in a few words, how did you collaborate with Jean-Stéphane on the movie?
Me and John communicated more or less every day via email, Skype, and we brought this film to fruition, and we're really excited about what we've achieved. Actually overwhelmed and looking forward to it.
But how?
Nervous or no? How do you feel?
I feel strong, like Rocky.
like always. But how is that to see your life in a movie on a big screen? I'm sure it's very different from the experience of writing a book.
Very much so, yeah. It's quite overwhelming to actually see. It's like watching somebody else's life. So I'm looking forward to seeing the finishing article. You know what I mean?
Thank you very much. Jean-Stéphane et Joe Cole, bien sûr. Good evening.
Jean-Stéphane and Joe Cole.
Congratulations, because you have such an amazing part to play. What was the main challenge? Was it in the head or in the body that it was the most difficult for you?
A bit of both, really. It was, Jean created an environment that was very immersive and authentic, and it was important to just go hell for leather and embody it as best as possible. So yeah, a bit of both.
What will remain from this experience? What will remain from this experience? Do you have something on your body, or is that only memories in your mind?
I mean, I met some incredible people with incredible life stories. We all came together to try and do something special and to realise Jean's vision and to tell Billy's story. So for me, it was meeting Billy, meeting Jean, and meeting all these wonderful Thai actors and the crew. And it was a really special team of people. So for me, that's what I'll hold dear. Yeah.
Revenez avec nous, voilà. Présentez-nous cette équipe incroyable, parce que nous on l'a vu au cinéma, mais
crew, we've seen
le
them
public va découvrir. Voilà,
in the cinema.
présentez-nous un petit peu.
Can you introduce them?
Good evening.
Gang.
Hello.
Hello.
Femme, donc Kang est dans la partie prison.
Kang is in the prison. He's a former prisoner.
Femme qui est
Plays in the film.
ladyboy du
A film. Femme is a ladyboy. Vitya, who came for Only God Forgives. Nicholas Winding Refn. So, professional, non-professional actors. Only God Forgives, Nicholas Winding Refn, yeah. And these things come together very quickly. And people who've had very strong, complicated destinies in the past. How do things meld? Well, it's very moving to have them here tonight. It's a big mix in Cannes, with professional actors and people who are telling their own lives. So for me, it's very important and very moving to know that after having spent 10 years in prison, he can now tell his story. Femme as well, telling the story as a lady boy, the story of life. It's very important for them to be here in Cannes with us.
How did you feel to be here tonight in Cannes after living such an incredible and maybe difficult experience? Because I'm sure it was a challenging shooting. So how do you feel to be here tonight to show the movie in the festival?
As for me, it's always a magic. You know, it's a magical moment, something that, you know, it happened to me once before, and to have it happen again for the second time is beyond my dream. So I'm glad to be back here again. Yes.
And for me, this is the good time for my life and amazing. I'm so excited.
Merci beaucoup. Thank you very much. Have a beautiful evening.
Thank you so much.
I'll let you go. Voilà la montée des marches.
So there we go.
A prayer before dawn.
A prayer before dawn.
Commence.
Beginning.
Une expérience incroyable.
An incredible experience.
Ce qu'ils ont répété.
For everybody, this is
L'équipe de A Prayer Before Dawn, menée par son réalisateur Jean-Stéphane Sauvert, qui est accompagné de Joe Cole.
Voilà toute l'équipe qui s'avance sur le tapis.
so everybody
A prayer before dawn.
going up the red carpet. Jean-Stéphane Sauver's prayer before dawn. He's made several short films, Matalo, Les Nuls, and Matalo, Carlitos Madeleine, and then 2008 in Un Certain Regard, Johnny Mad Dog for Best Hopeful.
Et là, voilà, vous voyez la magnifique
So there you can see Panchanok Maklang
thaïlandais qui observe
and
un moment de silence
a
et vont
moment of
rester
silence.
89 secondes
They're going to wait 89 seconds without moving to remember the death of His Majesty King Bhumibol, and they're going to remain for 89 seconds.
C'est un moment très rare qu'on vient de vivre.
A very rare moment we've just seen. Total silence on the red carpet here. I'm not sure that it's actually happened before. 89 seconds of silence to remember King Bhumibol Adulyadej, who died last October. And now they are posing before the photographers. Jean-Stéphane Sauvert, Joe Cole, Billy Moore, who wrote the book, inspired by his life.
Et les comédiens,
the actors,
Panchanok Maklang, cette magnifique jeune femme,
Panchanok Maklang,
c'est cet homme
Panya Yimupfai, the man with a tattooed face,
qui est un ancien prisonnier,
a former prisoner,
un vrai personnage,
who is a real character
autant dans le film que dans la vie.
in the film and in real life.
Et Joe Cole,
Joe Cole, 28-year-old
il est absolument
a British actor. He's often plays the role of a bad guy, but he's fantastic in this film where he discovers Thai prisons inspired by the man you've just seen there, Billy Moore, who had an active role in the making of the film, the birth of the film. He got very close to Joe Cole. They spoke a lot together, and the film is really a mixture of professional actors, but particularly non-professional actors. Jean-Stéphane Sauvert spent a year in Bangkok,
d'expérience, mais un an
Probably
de
not
casting.
from beginning to end, but
Immersion totale à travers
to,
le regard
you know,
du
cast his actor, to find the right people.
film tourné quasiment uniquement en
A
plan
film
séquence à l'épaule, et un tournage
that's,
dans l'une des plus
handheld
vieilles prisons
camera,
de Thaïlande.
sequence shots in one of the oldest Thai prisons for this very visceral story.
Au plus près des corps, avec donc une toute
Very
petite
organic
équipe
with
d'Europe et une
a small
équipe
team from
thaïlandaise
Europe and
avec
a
de nombreux
Thai
acteurs
team.
qui, en fait, sont
The number of
d'anciens
actors who are
d'anciens boxeurs,
former
souvent
prisoners, former
incarcérés
boxers,
pour des peines très lourdes
often in prison for
et qui
serious sentences and who have lived incredible experiences, as Jean-Stéphane Sauveur said when he paid tribute to the whole of his team.
Et c'est Thierry Frémaux, bien entendu.
And Thierry Frémaux, of course, is going to welcome them,
L'équipe de A Prayer Before Dawn,
welcome the crew from A Prayer Before Dawn.
en séance de minuit, des séances de
The
minuit.
midnight session, a very curious feeling. It's late, it's true, often for genre films or films that not everybody can see,
mais souvent des grands moments de cinéma.
but often great moments of cinema.
Séance de minuit qu'on peut citer au fil des ans. L'année dernière, c'était Bloodfather.
Last year was Bloodfather with Mel Gibson,
Busan de Sang Ho-yeon.
Song Ho-yeon's film,
Également Love de Gaspard Noé en 2015.
Gaspard Noé in
Bagdad,
2015.
un espace pour des films
So it's an opportunity for given to
peut-être moins cérémoniales
films which are maybe less ceremonial
que lors des montées de marche de 19
than the usual red carpet at say 7 o'clock.
Voilà, et toute l'équipe va à présent rejoindre la
So
grande
everybody
salle
now
de
is
théâtre
going
Lumière pour
to
la
go
projection.
to the Lumière Theatre for the screening.
On imagine effectivement ce que ce tournage
You can imagine that the shoot must have been quite remarkable.
Joe Cole, jeune acteur de 28
Joe
ans,
Cole, 28 years old only.
certes déjà expérimenté, mais
He's
confronté
already
à des
had some
personnages
experience,
comme
but
celui que vous voyez à
you know, with
l'écran, Pania
having to do with
Yimon-Fai,
characters like the man you can see there,
acteur non professionnel,
Pania Yimon-Fai,
puissant à l'écran,
non-professional actors.
Et voilà, sur l'entrée de l'équipe de Prayer Before Dawn de Jean-Stéphane Sauveur, se termine cette quatrième montée des marches de la journée. Nous nous retrouverons demain aux alentours de 17h30 pour la montée des marches de 120 battements par minute. Bonne soirée.
Voilà, entrée de toute l'équipe
So everybody going in
dans quelques secondes pour la
in a few
projection
moments
officielle
for
de
the
A
official
Prayer
screening of
Before
A Prayer
Dawn
Before
de
Dawn.
Jean-Stéphane Sauveur.
Jean-Stéphane Sauveur, second film in the Cannes Film Festival after Johnny Mad Dog in 2008.